Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and there is a new Facebook scam message going around that has got me absolutely terrified, and that is the one that you are looking at right now. The reason why I am so concerned about this new scam message is one, it has got a very strong offer for a product that actually is real. The second one is it doesn't seem too fake or forged. And number three, it can easily be adapted for other holidays such as Easter, Independence Day, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So, as the wise Obi-Wan once said, we must be cautious. And if the offer seems too good to be true, it normally is. Final thing for you, if you want to get the verification done, go to your Facebook page settings and head over there. Don't look at these messages and think that you're just going to get it for free. Have a fantastic day, everybody.